In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a standard operating procedure. This tutorial is designed to be straightforward and beginner-friendly, showing you the easiest way to create a professional SOP document in Notion. Whether you prefer starting from scratch or using a template, this method will save you time and make the process much simpler. For this demonstration, we'll be using a template to help you get started quickly and efficiently. To begin, log into your Notion account and head to your homepage. Once there, click the small arrow next to your name or profile icon. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Templates. The template gallery in Notion is full of pre-designed layouts that can help you build your documents faster, giving you a professional structure without any extra effort. In the search bar at the top, type in Standard Operating Procedure. You will see a selection of suggested templates, including the Standard Operating Procedure template and the Simple Standard Operating Procedure template. Take a moment to browse through these options and decide which one best suits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, click Preview to see how it looks and what sections it includes. This preview will show you the structure of the template, including headings, subheadings, and layout, so you can make sure it matches your preferences. After reviewing it, click Add, and then select Add to Private. This action will add the template directly to your private workspace, making it easy to access and edit. Next, navigate to your private workspace and click on the new Standard Operating Procedure document that has just been added. Here, you have the flexibility to edit every detail of the template. You can change headings, add or remove sections, and adjust the content to match your specific processes. The great thing about using a template is that you don't have to start from scratch. This saves time and ensures your SOP looks polished and well organized from the very beginning. By using a template, you can focus on filling in the content instead of worrying about formatting or structure. It makes your life easier, helps you stay organized, and prevents wasted time creating a layout from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully built a standard operating procedure in Notion, ready to be customized and used for your workflows. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.